Okay, we have several recalls today and a public health alert. I'm going to just jump right into it because it's a lot of data to cover. Scanga Meat Company has recalled ground beef. This is for raw ground beef that was produced December 11th, 2023. It includes 6-pound plastic tubes of regular ground beef, 6-pound plastic tubes of It's a Treat to Eat ground beef, 1-pound plastic chubs of Scanga ground beef hamburger meat, and 1-pound plastic trays of ground round. This recall was in Colorado, retail, and restaurants. The ground beef has been recalled due to E. coli 0103. E. coli 0103, which is a harder strand to identify. We even have soup on the list today, guys. This list is long, so please be patient, okay? Soup. Now, this one is not an actual recall. This is the actual public health alert, okay? Public health alert. These soups have been sold in Whole Foods markets, and they only issued a public health alert. This is for 24-ounce plastic cups of beef soup with hominy and plant-based chicken noodle soup. Doesn't actually have meat in it. It's plant-based chicken noodle soup. Now, this public health alert was issued due to misbranding and undeclared allergen. And you all, I have tried my best, my very, very best to find out what that allergen was, and I can't find it. As far as I know, it has not been stated what the allergen is. So if you have allergies of any kind, if you're allergic to anything, soy, dairy, ginger, coconut, I don't know what's in there, but they're saying it's been misbranded and due to the possibility of having undeclared allergens. These were sold in Whole Foods Market in Arizona, California, Hawaii, Idaho, Montana, Nevada, Oregon, and Washington. Next up, more ground beef. Skyline Provisions has recalled raw ground beef. This is for 20-pound boxes that contain 4 packages of ground beef, 8119. This is also for 20-pound boxes that contain 4 packages of raw ground beef, 7525. And those numbers, it's like ground beef 8020. You see those different numbers in the stores? Yes, that's what that's for. The first one is 8119, raw ground beef, and the second one is 7525, raw ground beef. These packages have been recalled due to the possibility of foreign matter contamination. And again, guys, there is no indication of what the foreign matter is. Okay, next on the list, JX Restaurants has recalled 16-ounce plastic trays containing Sister General TSO chicken with fried rice. Again, misbranding and undeclared allergen. Pella Poultry Company has recalled ready-to-eat beef and poultry products. I'm sorry, guys, but let me tell you something. There were over 76 different products. We'd be here forever. So, at the end of this video, I will put a screenshot of the list of all these products that have been recalled. Now, I actually counted them because they're not numbers. So if you count them and you get 75 and you count them and you get 82, okay, I miscounted. But for my count, I got 76. That's a lot. Again, this is for ready-to-eat beef and poultry. And this recall, this huge recall, is because of the possibility of listeria. Listeria is bad, y'all. And it can take time for it to even show up. That's the real sad part about it. Whew. Oh my goodness. It is so much on those lists. Y'all be sure to check out the list at the end of this video. Moving right along. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm starting to sound like a broken record here at this particular point, but before we go on to the rest of the list of recalls, if you are not subscribed to the channel and you don't have the notification bell turned to all, please subscribe to the channel. These recalls are rapid right now. I need you all to get the information as soon as possible. And I know some of you all get alerts, and that's perfect, but so many others don't. Also, please share the video out. I am not asking you all to subscribe for me, and I am not asking you all to share the video out for me. Does it help my channel and the algorithm? Yes, it does. I'm not going to sit here and say it doesn't, but I don't have anything to do with that. I have no control over that. But if I can help one person avoid a catastrophe, then my living shall not be in vain. So I don't know who's watching these videos, and I don't know the capacity that you all have to share it out and who may see it. Maybe someone would see it that has a wider reach than me. And if they share it out, can you imagine the millions of people that we can reach? So please subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell to all, and share these recall videos out. Let's go on, because this is a long list, and I don't want to keep y'all here all day. I think this is probably number 6. I think it's like 7 or 6 recalls plus the public health alert. More ready-to-eat food. Garland Ventures has recalled ready-to-eat chicken fried rice products.
Chicken fried rice sold nationwide is being recalled over listeria concerns. Garland Ventures of Texas is recalling nearly 14,000 pounds of their freshness guaranteed brand of their chicken fried rice. Right now,
this is the ready-to-eat chicken fried rice products. These are for the 12-ounce trays that contain chicken fried rice, diced chicken meat with vegetables, and rice in a savory soy sauce. Again, these ready-to-eat fried rice trays are being recalled due to the possibility of listeria. Wayne Farms LLC has recalled ready-to-eat chicken breast products.
Of Decatur, Alabama, is recalling approximately 1,377 pounds of ready-to-eat chicken breast products that may be undercooked.
This is for the 9-pound cardboard box containing 12 packages, Chef's Line Fire Grilled Chicken Breast. These chicken breasts have been recalled due to the possibility of being undercooked. Again, this is supposed to be ready to eat, being recalled due to the possibility of being uncooked. This is December 23rd, 2023.